Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here then welcome to the TLR family. Without further ado, we're just gonna get right into the hairstyle. So you're gonna start off with the middle part. This is optional, but one, it helped me part the front pretty well, and two, actually had another style in mind. I wanted to do twist in front, but I just felt like that's so basic and everybody does that, so I decided to try something else. So yeah, go ahead and make that little part in front. Try to make it as neat as possible. It won't be visible anyway, but just try. Twist that section away once you're done parting it, and then go ahead and just pick little sections from the side. So for this part, clearly you can do it without having to use any combs or anything, but I'm just a perfectionist and I try really hard to make sure that my lines are even. If not, I'm just going to be disturbed about it. So go ahead and just carve out little sections by the side. Once you have your sections parted out, then go in with your favorite leave-in conditioner. Mine is Nature's Gentle Touch because it's inexpensive and my hair loves it. So you want to moisturize your entire head, and then once you're done, go ahead and detangle as much as possible because you want your hair to be as smooth as possible when you pack it. So go ahead and just detangle all around. If you've watched up to this point of the video, don't forget to subscribe so that I'll know that you're enjoying the video and I'll be able to make more. And if you aren't following me on my socials, then go ahead and do that right now at TeeLaReina on all platforms. So once you have your hair smoothed out, go ahead and pack a top knot. I was just feeling top knottish, and I do not really like low knots because it gets in the way when I'm sleeping. So go ahead and tie that top knot, make it as tight as possible. Okay, maybe not too tight because I'm struggling here, but clearly you get what I mean. So just make it comfortable on your head, yeah, so it doesn't hurt in the middle of the night. Alright, so once you have that out of the way, go ahead again with your conditioner. And then you want to just, condition your hair basically. You want to moisturize your hair as much as possible so it doesn't cut in the process of having your style in, since you might leave it for a week or two. And then you want to also take out your time to detangle those ends as much as you can to make them flat. It's time for a bandana bun, guys. So get your bandana, fold it into two if yours is square shaped, and then you want to roll it into a bandana roll. Just roll it until it looks like a roll basically. And then once you have that down, put it at the base of your knot or your bun, and then you want to wrap that around the base. So I'm sure it's pretty annoying here, the fact that this clip isn't fast, but it's just so you guys can really follow along. If it's too slow for you, then go ahead and increase the speed. But yeah, once you have tied the bandana, you want to go ahead and tuck your ends in, and then spread your ends evenly around the bandana roll. So when you put the scrunchie on, it's gonna be flat and sleek as possible. So go ahead and spread your ends around that bandana the entire length. Slip your scrunchie on, adjust it, and make sure it gets to the base of your bun. And once you have that down, you want to tuck your ends into the scrunchie just to make sure that it's not poking out, you get, because that won't look good. So try to tuck your ends underneath the scrunchie. I would suggest you get a bigger scrunchie. I do not really have like a scrunchie plug because I used to sell them and since I don't have my sewing machine here, it's just been hard getting scrunchies. So once I have my plug, I'll probably let you guys know. And if you sell scrunchies and you want us to collab, then go ahead and send me a mail or send me a DM on Instagram. Yay! So at this point, your bun is done. So go ahead and work with the front of your hair. So I'm moisturizing the front again. Please do not come for me. But I'm just gonna loosen it, and you're gonna see that I combed it. I shouldn't have, because I preferred the look when it wasn't combed. So yeah, you can try and look at it first. If you like it not combed, then go ahead and leave it like that, but I combed it. Big mistake. Alternatively, you could just go ahead with gel and use that to make it really flat and heavy in the front, but I didn't do that. I didn't want to do that. I didn't want to put gel in my hair. So just go ahead and tie like a bun or knot in front and you're done. So this is the finished look, and I don't know about you guys, but I like it because it's a different style. I'm not gonna say that's gonna fit everybody, but try it out, and if you do, then tag me in your video, in your pictures. I want to see you make this hair. But yeah, that's it. You've come to the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching. Love you. Bye guys.